Today is our topic about chemistry. The topic of about chemistry is Arrhenius concept of acid and base. First of all, we can define the Arrhenius concept of acid. This concept was given by Swadeshi chemist in Swan Arrhenius in 1884. Acid is derived from acidus Latin word which means sour. Acid have sour taste. Definition of acid according to Arrhenius concept: those chemical substances which dissociate or ionize in aqueous solution. What is mean by aqueous solution? The solution which dissolve in water is called aqueous solution. To give hydrogen plus ion is known as Arrhenius acid. Generally the ionization of acid can be represented as H plus A minus. Example of acid: hydrochloric acid HCl, H plus Cl minus. Concept of Arrhenius base. Concept of Arrhenius base. What is concept of Arrhenius base? Definition of base: those chemical substances which are ionize or dissociate in aqueous solution to give hydroxyl ion OH minus ion is known as Arrhenius base.